Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way how to add a signature field in DocuSign and why you can't do so in some cases. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at some links of some nice tools in the description of this video. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to add a signature field. Firstly, log into your DocuSign account. Click on the Start Now button to upload your document. You can also use a template if you have one. To continue, you need to add a name and email for each recipient. You can also add more recipients from your contacts. Once you've added recipients, including yourself or others from your contacts, then hit Next. Now on the left-hand side, you will see options such as signature, initials, stamp, date, etc. We're going to focus on the signature field as we are here to add a signature field to our documents. Select the signature field from the list of available fields and drag and drop the signature tag to the appropriate part of your file. You can include additional information by adding more tags like name, date signed, and more. Simply click on the signed date field and drag and drop the tag to the appropriate part of your file. The process is very easy. You can add more signatures by following the same steps. Note that if you find that you cannot add fields to the documents and templates you create, most likely this is because of your user permission profile. Contact your DocuSign administrator and ask to adjust your permission settings. And that's it! So, like I said guys, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. And thanks for watching.